Hey guys, hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to solve uh, problem of the day in Geeks for Geeks. Guys, if you are watching first time to my videos, please do subscribe my channel. Guys, today's question is swapping pair make sum equal. Today's question is swapping pairs make sum equal. Given a two arrays of integers a and b and size of n and m, the task to check if there is a pair of values, one value from each array exists such that swapping the elements of the pair make the sum of the two arrays equal. Return 1 if there exists any such array, otherwise return -1. Okay, now guys, here he given n is equal to 6, m is equal to 4, and a is equal to 4 1 2 1 1 2, and b is equal to 3 6 3 3 1. Some of the elements of the array is level and some of the elements of array is width. To get the sum from both arrays, we can swap the following values, one from a and one from b. So if you swap these two values, one from a and three from b, their sum become equal. Okay guys, here given the time, similarly second example also like that. Guys, you read this question, you try your own first before watching the solution, so you will understand more better, your logical thinking will increase. Okay, now guys, here the constants are up to 10 power 6, a of I, b of I value are up to 10 power 5. Here this question is asked in Amazon. Okay guys, we are going to the solution now. This problem can be solved in two ways. Method one is, I will explain both method. uh, Guys, in method one what we are doing is, first I will explain the question to you. Given n is equal to 6, m is equal to 4, uh, n is equal to 6, m is equal to 4. In 4 1 2 1 1 2, 4 1 2 1 2, and m is equal to 4, we have 3 6 3 3 3 6 3 3. So this total sum is how much it is, 15. This total sum is 8 plus 3, so level. Okay, we have to make level this a array a sum. This is a sum, this is b sum is 15. So we have to make these two array by swapping the element. If you take one element from this array and you have to swap this. If we rearrange 1 to this and 3 to this and 1 to here, the array new array become 4 3 2 1 1 2. So total sum is 4 plus 3 7, 7 plus 4 7 plus 4 level plus 12 13. If you one comes here, this is also, this become 1 plus 1 comma 6 comma 3 comma 3. Okay, now it becomes 13. So 13, both array sums are equal. So guys, what I am saying is, uh, here we have to check whether it is possible to swap any two, one element from this array, one element from this array, and those both sums equal to equal equal to some constant k, same sum. So guys, here what I am we can solve this problem in two methods. In method one, what I am doing is, here guys, in method one we can do this problem by using hash map. How I got this thought of hash map is, the board is not working now. We can do this problem by using hash map and sorting two pointers. In two methods we can do this problem. Yes. So guys, here in hash map what we are doing is, for suppose this is A array, this is B array, this sum is sum1 and this sum is sum2. For suppose sum2, and we are taking some x element from this array and y element from this array. So what we are doing is we are subtracting this, we are swapping, we have to change this value. So we have to subtract this from sum1. X is going to this, right? So sum1 minus x, this y is coming to this, so +1. Again here what is subtracting? Sum2 minus y, this x is adding, right? This. So we have to make these two equations equal. So here what I am doing is sum1 minus x plus y is equal to sum2 minus y plus x. So if we take x and y, if we take x and y here and y and this side, sum1 minus sum2 is equal to 2x minus 2y. It becomes like that, right? 2x minus 2y. So guys, here this equation I am writing here. So x minus y is equal to sum1 minus sum2 by 2. Sum1 minus sum2 by 2. So our final equation is sum1 minus sum2 by 2 is equal to x minus y. So guys, here we have to check whether is there any pair of numbers whose difference is this. Let's suppose this is d, so x minus y is equal to d. So we have to use the hash maps. We have to store the all elements of the array A in hash map. Then we have to check. Is there any element x is equal, we can write as d plus y, right? Is there any element that is equal to hash map like this? Like this we have to check. D plus y is equal to, is there any element contained in hash map whose value is equal to d plus I? So we can solve this problem. We will understand more better by the code. Here what I am doing is into sum1 is equal to 0, into sum2 is equal to sum1 for array A array, int I is equal to 0, I less than I plus plus, sum1 is equal to A of I. Again what I am doing is just I am giving here space, I less than m I plus plus, sum2 is equal to b of I. Here I got two sums. Okay, now guys, what I am doing is here here I have to calculate d. I said how we, here one more thing, here we have to check one more thing is the difference should be divided by with 2, means here one thing we have to notice here is sum1 minus sum2, we are dividing it with 2, right? This difference should be a even number. For suppose if we got the difference 7, then we can't find if we actually this by 2 means 3.58. So all numbers are integers. Here he mentioned the problem, all numbers are integers. So we can't find the numbers whose difference is difference of two integers is always integer. Difference of two integers is always an integer. We never find whose value is 3.5. So we have to check if it is a odd, we can't find any pairs whose difference is 3.5. So if it is, we have to check whether it is a even or odd. If it is a even, then only we are using, we are going further. Otherwise, we have to return -1 there. So here sum1 minus sum2. Let's suppose some, let it be x. So if x percentage 2 is not equal to 0, then only, if x percent, if it is odd, then I am returning -1. Otherwise, into d is equal to sum1 minus sum2 divided by 2. Okay, now what I am doing, I have to check what I am doing is, here I am using one hash map, unordered map, mp of a of I. Just I am adding any, you can give any value. Okay, for here we have to check, is there any difference here, mp of d plus b of I. If it is exist in map, if it is exist in map, means, so d minus some b of a of I. A of I in map only we contain a of I, right? So d plus a of I means, a of I minus b of I is equal to d, means there is exist a number whose difference is d. Like that we have to assume. Return minus, here return 1 and return -1. Okay. We got somewhere error. Some here, sorry, it is someone. Here for sample test case we got correct answer. One more thing here, I have to, this part I will explain you on board. Here in maps, only a of I elements are contains, right? What we are checking, we are traversing through b array, then we are checking if d plus b of I. So some b of, for example, this is I1, this is I2. So d plus b of I is exist or not. So if it is exist, means a of I1 is equal to d plus b of I1, right? So a of I1 minus b of I1 I2. So you can assume anything. So become, so there exists a element d. So there we can swap, we can swap that element. So here I am submitted doing final submission. Here I got it submitted successfully. So guys, here, but actual question is, here he given the time complexities, space complexities. Here the our time complexity and space complexity are here tc is equal to O of n and space complexity is equal to O of n. Okay, this we are getting. But in problem he mentioned that time complexity is m log m, time complexity is m log n plus n log n plus O of n space. We are not used any extra data, but here we use extra maps. So guys, this is in here, this is also best method. Time complexity is O of n, space complexity is O of n. This is also best method, but we have to do in n log n time complexity. n log n time complexity, O of n space complexity. So guys, I will explain that code also, that method also. Here I am here so guys, here observe one thing. Just to sort this two array in method 1, what we are doing is, why we are sorting, I will explain you that also. uh, Sort a plus n, a comma a plus n, sort b comma b plus m. Okay, sort a plus n. Now now 4 1 2 1 2 2, right? uh, n is equal to 6, right? 4 1 2 1 1 2. M is equal to 4, right? 3 6 3 3. So what I'm doing, I'm just sorting these two parts, 1 comma 1 comma 1, 2 comma 3 comma 4. Okay, 3 comma 3 comma 3 6. Now I am sorting these two parts. So if you are moving if you are moving right side, what happened, numbers are increasing. Here also observing, numbers are increasing. Here also numbers are while we are moving to left, from left to right side, the numbers are increasing. Guys, here so I am sorting this today, and now I am calculating these two sum. Sum 1 is equal to 0, and sum 2 is equal to, let's suppose sum 2 is equal to 0, uh, I is equal to 0, I less than m, I plus plus, sum 1, a of I for int I less than m, I plus plus, sum 2, b of I. Now guys, I am taking some uh, some I is equal to, here don't think confuse, here this side are different. Here I am taking again I is equal to j is equal to 0. I am taking two pointers here, while I less than n and j less than m. Okay, this two thing where here I am taking uh, temporary sum 1. I'm taking two variables here, int temporary sum 2. Okay, temporary sum 2. Okay, now guys, observe this, is equal to, I have to take I have to subtract one number from array 1. I have to take one number j, b of j, right? And here one more thing, this I will explain this entire logic once. And here what we have to do, here b of j plus a of I. Okay, here guys, this how I took is, uh, see, after sorting we got this array, right? 1 1 1 2 3 6. Okay, and 3 3 3 6. So I am taking one element from, this sum is sum 13, right? This sum is 15, so 13, right? How much it is, level plus level plus 4, this is 14. Okay, 14. This is 9 plus 50 60. So I have to make this. So guys, here I have to take one element from to this, so this sum, so I have to add that sum. And uh, in sum to, when I am swapping these two, is sum to this, which element we are going to swap, subtracted, get subtracted from this array. So here sum 1 is equal to, here temporary value, temporary sum is equal to, sum 1 is equal to a of I. We are swapping the one, we are removing one element from the a of I, and we are adding some other element. And in sum 2, what I am doing is b of j, and I am subtracting a of I. Okay, a of I. A of I means here we are adding from this. So guys, here here one more, this things I think you understand this. We are doing subtraction because we are removing that element to this. We are adding this because we are taking this element from this. So if temporary sum1 is equal to temporary sum2, in that case what we have to do is return 1, else temporary sum1 is greater than temporary sum2. If temporary sum1 is greater than temporary sum2 means we here one more what we have to do, we have to decrease temporary sum1, right? To decrease temporary sum1, we have to increase the value of a of I, right? uh, we have to increase the value of a of I. Why? Because if you increase the value of a of I, the next element is greater than here. If we increase the value of a of I, if we move the I pointer to here, the element is greater than or equal to this number, right? So when we are increasing this value, a of I value, this sum is we are subtracting more value from someone, so someone is automatically decrease, and here we are adding more value, right? We are adding more value, so this temporary sum2 value is increases, this is going to decrease. Okay, here what we have to do, here I have to increase this value. Okay, else means else case is what? Else case is temporary sum1 is lesser than temporary sum2, so we have to make temporary sum2 lesser. So we have to decrease more value here, and we have to increase the sum1 value, so I have to increase j plus plus. Guys, take on test cases and observe this, so you will understand more better. It is not a hard problem. Now I am submitting this. Yes guys, it's submitted successfully. Here time complexity is n log n, and space complexity is O of n. So guys, if you have any doubts, please ask me in the comment, and please do subscribe my channel. Guys, and what I'm suggesting you is take your own test cases and try your own and apply the test cases on this algorithm, so you will understand more better. Okay, yes, thank you.